Yeah, hi friends. My name is Madhukar. Welcome back again after a long time. Today, I'm going to explain you regarding C Sharp REPL. C Sharp REPL, if you want to test some basic functionality of C Sharp, you want to test some expressions like example, you want to deserialize something JSON file. So you do not go, open Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code. You can use your terminal and you can test those anything. Uh, you know, C Sharp REPL is a cross-platform command line tool that allows you run C Sharp code directly in your terminal of choice. Okay. What is exactly stands for REPL? So REPL stands for Read, Evaluate, Print Loop. So if you want to, install a REPL in your machine, C Sharp REPL is a .NET global tool, and I mean it supports any .NET framework. It's .NET 5 or .NET 7. Currently, I'm using .NET 7, and it runs on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It's just like cross-platform, right? So by using this command, you can install C Sharp REPL in your machine globally. So once you install in your machine, you want to run some C Sharp code and test it. You can use C Sharp REPL in any terminal. So now currently I'm using C Sharp sorry, command prompt. Now if I type C Sharp REPL, uh, sorry, it does not exist in the context, but okay, already it is there, I guess. Already C sharp REPL, sorry, small c, C sharp REPL. Oh, I think it's installed already. I think run it. Maybe let's type. Yeah, see here. You can see IntelliSense console dot right line. Uh, Simply, hi. Just enter hi. So let me close it because I will show you from the beginning. Command prompt. Okay. So if you type C sharp REPL, C. Wait. Sorry. C sharp REPL. Yes, this is. So when once you install REPL in your machine, C sharp REPL in your machine, you can use this command C sharp REPL, and you can start working you start writing C sharp code and test it in your terminal itself. So that's about the C sharp REPL. So we will see some examples so that we can understand better about C sharp. So I want to test some like console dot write line. So let me test math dot py. This is about, and I want to test some multiple. I want to multiply two numbers where x is equal to 8 and shift enter where y is equal to 9. Enter now, then you can print console dot write line. Okay, just x into y. Yeah, 72. This is about and if you want to print some var names is equal to new list of strings. This I can say the cur ja. Sorry. Okay, so this is a list of strings for each var name in names shift enter console dot write line, and you can type name. See, and one more thing is you can add any packages or you can install any NuGet packages. So let me try. Let me using anything Newton's of no, it was not there. So I will try to install this one. So slash hash reference or so you can install packages by using NuGet command like this. NuGet Newton soft.json. Okay, NuGet Newton.json. Yeah, package was successfully installed. So if I want to use Newton soft JSON, okay, and let me try one example where JSON is equal to okay name Madhukar and comma channel dotnet code Telugu. So let me correct it. Channel. Okay. So and comma subscribe true. Sorry. Okay. So I want to deserialize dynamic object is a JSON convert JSON can convert. Check object. Okay. Now console dot write line. Okay. See. So this is about installing the NuGet packages and if you want to deserialize like this, somebody has given the JavaScript object. If you want to deserialize, you cannot go and open Visual Studio and write the code. You can simply open command line and you can try like this C sharp by using C sharp REPL. So I will show you another example. If you want to refer any uh, like you can test if you want to test any library, so you can simply come here and I have created already one library here, class 1 greetings. Okay, so if I want to use this library, so for that you have to clear sorry, let me kill this terminal and new terminal now. I told you right, if you want to use C sharp reference C sharp REPL. Okay, so if you want to reference any project or any library into your you want to test any library, so just I'm going to show you slash r and where is this library. Let me go to this library and sorry, this unit. Okay, so let me copy this path properties security. This is a path. So okay, here. So yeah, because I'm trying to build this test library project, and use this, you know, right, how to use this, I mean, any library using test library. See here, you are getting reference, then enter. Then if you want to test this library console.writeline, what it is doing, console.writeline, and I want to call class 1, see test class 1 dot get ready, see here, and name, hello, sorry, hello is there. Control this, see it, hello Monica. Okay, so if you want to test any library by using C Sharp, this is a way you have to reference that project, and it will build, it will create, you can reference that library and you can try to test any method from that library. Yeah, that's about C Sharp REPL. These are the ways you can use C Sharp REPL instead of opening Visual Studio or anything. Any other tool you can use command line. You can test this you know any any C sharp related code. So if you want to go deeper, I will provide the link in the description. Please go through that. As I said, it supports it highlight the syntax and intelligent support and automatic formatting and NuGet package installation. Just now we have seen, and reference local assembly solutions and projects. So you can use this REPL C sharp REPL in any Windows terminal or Visual Studio Code. I will give you the complete link. You can go through that and you can understand it. So that's about today's session, and thank you so much. Happy coding.